Watermelon sculpture videos are taking over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, pulling in millions of views because they're incredibly satisfying to watch. The best part? You don't need any carving skills or expensive software to make them. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning viral watermelon sculpture videos in less than 2 minutes using AI. So let's get started. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the complete prompt. Next, open Flow AI and switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Change the video model to Omni Flash and choose your preferred video duration. Once that's done, paste in the prompt and replace the subject with anything you want to be sculpted inside the watermelon. For this example, I'll use a dragon. Then simply click Generate. In just a few seconds, Flow AI will create a stunning, realistic watermelon sculpture video that's ready to post. Now let's check out the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more AI content ideas that can help you grow on social media, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.